Hello, everybody. Let's take a look at this question that we have here. It says Kayla has decided to purchase her cousin Rick's home. On April 4th, they agree to terms and sign paperwork. The closing is scheduled for June 2nd. What is the current status of Kayla's contract if they have yet to close? Is it A, voidable, B, unenforceable, C, executed, or D, executory? So let's get our handy dandy pen out there, okay? And let's take a look and see what we could eliminate. So the first thing is that this isn't an executed contract. It's executed means that the contract is complete, done, finished. That's it, okay? Now, we also know, based on everything we have here in the question, it's not voidable. No one was signing this under duress. It doesn't seem like anyone is a minor. It doesn't sound like there's any kind of undue influence here. It just seems that this is just not a voidable contract. So we're left with unenforceable or executory. And it's not unenforceable. There's nothing here that leads us to believe that it is unenforceable. So this would be executory. Basically, what that means is we have yet to finish the contract. We've yet to basically go forward and complete it and move it into executed status. So when there's still things yet to be completed, we say that the contract is executory. So this contract, as it stands, when they say that, hey, we have not closed on the contract yet, June 2nd hasn't happened yet, no matter what time of the year you're reading this, it's a situation where that is executory because it has yet to close in the scenario they're giving you. So I hope that helped you out. Have a great one, everybody. I'm going to see you real soon.